What's up, guys? I'm about to show you what we got going on today. We are going to set up my second garage so that we can start working on our GTI. But first off, let me show you what the first garage looks like. It's a mess. All right, let's walk in there. So just as a quick update, we have a Mark IV Golf. It has a power steering rack issue, which is what we were working on under here. Let me turn the light on so we can see here. Boom. So we have the subframe out. Here's the power steering rack. And the plan was to work on this car, get it back on the road, because basically it just has handling problems. It just needs a full front end suspension refresh. So we're talking control arms, the power steering rack. So you should upgrade the bushings in the control arms, the strut mounts, sway bar while we're in there. Why not upgrade it to a performance sway bar? Then we will support it with performance ball joints and adjustable sway bar end links, things of that nature, since we have all of this stuff out. And as you can see, the brakes, the rotors, the calipers look pretty worn. Even the actual the whole hub assembly is pretty rusted. These are my used FK coilovers. They look like they're in bad condition, but I only use them for maybe 500 miles, no more than 1,000, but they're not that great. What else we got? So we have everything in here has us pretty much trapped in the area that we can't really get work done comfortably and film good content, aesthetically pleasing. I wouldn't want to watch it being all messed up like this. So it just looks confusing to me. So I wanted something that was a little more clean and well maintained and put together. So if the area isn't cluttered, then my mind isn't cluttered, so I can get all this work done. See, look at this. All I'm thinking about every time is okay, I have the power steering rack to do and all of these various parts to order, purchase, and install. But still, we've got all this mess in here. Moving parts, books, crazy stuff. So we just went next door and we got one of these. Big plan would be, since it's empty and there's a loud echo in here, I went to Aldi and I got, I guess there's no lights. I went to Aldi and I got some mats, 2 runners. Just so, oh, that sucks. The light doesn't work. Oh, what is that? All right, well, good thing I have a stand-up box light for filming, so we can use that in here. So we'll pull in the GTI on the Golf R. The GTI is gonna go in here. We're gonna work on it. Pretty much that's it. We have a front sway bar to install. We have a rear sway bar to install. We also have the front mount intercooler and something else. Yeah, the light was way too bright. But oh yeah, and the rear sway bar. So I think that's it. Oh, and control arms. We have Super Pro control arms that we have to install in the GTI. And after that, it's gonna need a full front end alignment. So let me show you the GTI, what we got going on over here. Let's get the keys out. And I'm gonna show you all the boxes. This is basically this is how I've had the GTI for months now. It's pretty dirty in my opinion. And so I have that's the sway bar. Those are all of the bolts for it. We have the control arms right there. So damn. So the control arms, damn, that Jeep was crazy loud, bro. What the fuck? All right, so we have the Super Pro control arms. That shit sound like it's dying. And then I guess we can get that. We got a Z over here. So we have that is a CTS intercooler, and I'm pretty upset that I have that one now because basically, like, I wanted to have an aesthetic appeal. So if I put the sandwich, like, bigger intercooler in the OEM position, like, nobody's gonna know I have that except me. But ARM has like this twintercooler setup, kind of, so I can get their front mount intercooler, and then they have like a coupler that will hook up either the aftermarket or the OEM intercooler to that front mount, so you get double the cooling, and we definitely need that down here in Florida. And it's about to rain, so I would say we should pull the Golf R into the garage and then set it up, because it's a car, and then we'll know how much space we have. All right. Yeah. Let's go. I don't know if we're gonna get all of this actual work done today, but the main goal is to get the garage set up. So we are gonna get this guy so we can put the GoPro on there so you can see the car pulling in, and then we'll have a place to set up. But damn, we don't have any lights, so we're gonna have to come back. All right, let's go get some lights. Fuck. That sucks. We don't have light. Lock. Guess we'll just use all this for B-roll. You can catch my feet. Hey, I need a light box because the light isn't working in there. So I'm gonna go grab it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We can grab this light box, and then I hope this shit works, because it didn't work the last time I tried it. This is the only light thing we have, right? Oh, motherfucker. I dropped this thing, and it's somewhere outside. That thing comes off so easily.
Yeah, I know.
It's so annoying. The last time I tried to use this, it didn't fucking work, so.
What do you think at a time,
It's not working. have bowls?
The only thing we have are like the weird bathroom ones, I think, and the bedroom lamp. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, it's like the weird bathroom ones. We don't have like white.
Yeah, that's too small, right?
Yeah, they're like a weird size.
Alright, goodbye. I knew this was gonna happen. It was gonna start raining. And I wasn't gonna have all the parts and stuff that I need. So here's the issue, right? First one that starts off. The garage does not have a light that works, and I need light to see. But I have some grow lights in the other garage, but I have nothing to hang it up with in the dark garage. But we're still gonna get this done, man. This is happening today. So if we can figure out how to get the grow light to you know, light the way, then we're good to go. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna grab one of the grow lights. Right here. Oh, for the love of Christ, man. Jesus, what the fuck? Crazy shit outside there. What is even holding on to this right now? Fucking ridiculous. For some reason, I feel like there's like no electricity over there. I hope I'm wrong. Okay. It's dark as fuck. Here we go. I don't know what this thing is. Look, yo, check this. I don't know what this is, but right here. But hey, maybe we can hang that on there. Crazy. God damn. Alright. That's what we got. I can't believe this is the light that we're gonna use. But now I'm trapped in the garage because like the car's over there. Car's over there.